Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode of the CPA Tube. Today we're going to code Hit the Hacker program using Scratch Online. Alright, let's take a look at how the game is done. Okay, so let me just maximize screen display. Alright, so the white hacker explains what's farming and fishing. So click the white hacker to start. Alright. So the fisher is moving randomly at the different positions, and then the farmer, which is in the center, is blinking at a very fast speed. So each time you click on the farmer, you get 40 points. Alright, while if you click on the fisher, you get 10 points. Okay, now what's exciting about this game for the online edition is that you can actually play this game online by using your fingers to tap once you've completed this game. So let's start coding. Now to code, all you need to do is to get this game first onto your Scratch. So let me check my stuff. Now I have the completed game here, but I do not have the student version. So what I'm gonna do is that, oh, but of course, let me log into my account. This is my other account, Perfect Student 88. Just always make sure you log into your account's Gmail. Alright, okay, so I hope you have done the verification process. I'll refer to the previous lesson. Okay, here, okay, there's a verification here. Alright, on registering your account, so make sure this step is done from the online Scratch account setup. Okay, now today we're going to focus on this one, pop-up game. So now the objectives of this game is to revise this pop-up game coding, because it's one of the 5 games. It's going to come on GCE N levels. Code pop-up game. Alright, of course, using the Scratch Online environment. Code the pop-up game. Number 4 is to share the game and submit the link. Okay, so the instruction slides are all here, created for you, this gorgeous set of slides. Alright, you can use it for future use if you want to. Alright, so this is online. Okay, now, and then again the codes are actually here, right, for you to slowly digest and code. So, but for this, since you already have the codes here, now the purpose of this tutorial is a slow tutorial, alright, to go through the thinking process. Alright, okay, how this is done. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is first to get this code into my student Scratch. So you can download the question paper over here. Alright, okay. So you can look at the instructions carefully, right? Now the hacker here mentioned here is the white hacker actually. So there he goes mentioning and all the conditions right over here. Go through it slowly. So marks is a 28 marks. It's about actually 1/6 of your entire level exams. Okay. So first remix. Okay, if you would like to watch a video on remix, go ahead and watch it here. Otherwise, if you don't know how to do the remix, this is how it's done. Click on this link that I've given you. Alright. So click. Once it's clicked, now let's check it out. Yeah. Let's click. Now you have a class index. This is the student version. There's a remix here. Now remix means it came from elsewhere. You're remixing somebody else's codes. Okay, so if I look at my stuff, is it there yet? Oh, it's not there yet because I've not done my remix. So how do I go? Let me just go back a step. Okay, so what I need to do first is to remix the code. So remixing, what it does is it saves this into your own project. So let me just save this. My class, say a class sec 4, oops, or sec 3 for that matter, because Scratch gaming is for upper sec, index 01. I'm gonna call myself decoder. Alright, okay, make sure you name it correctly. Now don't just share yet because it's not done. Okay, just save it. Save. Let's take a look at our library. And there you go. The library has this one, and this was the completed one I showed you earlier. Okay, so now you have your own set. So let's work on it. Alright. So like I've said, I'm just gonna do it slowly. Alright, so I'm gonna call a remix. Yeah, let's do this one. Then let's save it again. See if it wants for the remix version, yeah. Okay, so you can minimize this part here. Let's take a look. Okay, it's already given to you. Alright, it says for 2 seconds, similar to the question. Always refer to the question, not just code just the way you want it. Alright, because there are locations and positions you need to code. Okay, so when this sprite is clicked, okay, well, let's press start. What happens? Okay, start. So essentially, the codes are already built into the stage already. The backdrops, let's check the backdrops given to you is the menu, the game stage, and then you win. Now in some games you have to create your win on your own. Okay, so when game press on, always double check. Okay, you win, right? Now game start, someone would have sent this game start, let's check, yeah? Okay, so essentially the white hacker will click and he hides, but he sends the game start. Okay, so start again, so click and game start. Alright, okay, that's that. Now, the Fisher, yeah? So the Fisher is always, why is 20? Because I think it's just too big at start. It's just very huge. It's hiding, yeah? Let's see what it shows up. Let's see if it shows up. See if I did. Yep, he's gigantic, alright. So let's set it to 20% and let's hide him, yeah? So when he appears, okay, game start, he should show up at one position. We probably need a variable called position so that we can rotate his position. Right, for all pop-up games you need the position, and definitely this game has a score because you need to score more than 100 to win. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So I'm going to set the position to a random number 1 to 6 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, there are 5 positions. Set position to 5. Okay, so when game crashes, set position. Okay, let me think through, yeah. Okay, so once it's done, this is probably going to do it again and again, right? And we're going to do this every 1 second. Right, so for every second, the position is changing. Okay, as you can see there, so the number is changing. Right, now for every change, if the position is equals to 1, right? Okay, I am going to go to this location. So I've already placed that location. So go to this position, 843. I'm just going to move to this next one. You notice my number has changed now to 1.4. So the second one, I'm going to bring it to the third. We're just going to stop this for a while. It starts changing position. Okay, so this position 3. It has changed again. Just notice the number on the right here. It's on changing when I move the Fisher. It's 4. Right, I'm just going to use this again and again, so it's pretty fast. So if I have 5 position, I'm going to clone this. Yep, just going to throw this away. Duplicate. So actually, if you think of the steps, right, it's going to be a very fast gaming for you in the exams if you follow through the sequence. Okay, so a lot of the scratch coding is in duplicating. And do we need to do this forever? Yes, because we will need to go to various positions. So there we go. The feature is happily popping up in 2 places. Wondering why? Yep, he goes around. Yep, every 1 second. But is that a requirement? Let's check, yeah. The Fisher, sit out for 5 seconds, disappear on click, yeah. 1 second, increase, yep, he disappears every 1 second. When it's click. Okay, so let's go back. Now, so this part is settled for him to jump around. Now when he is clicked, where is it? When the sprite is clicked, okay, now what will happen that he will say something, say ouch. Say ouch. Yeah, or you see H for 0.5. Okay, let's just get this faster. 0.5. He will say ouch. Yep, and we'll need to change the score by, for this guy, his score. Change the score. Oops, change the score by 10. Okay. I may as well pass this over to the farmer at this point, because it's probably going to be the same thing. I'll pass it over to him. Okay, but the farmer is going to be 20 for his score, right? And actually you're almost done here. So as when you click, and if the score is equals to, is greater, right? Now the game stops at 100, but in case we are at 90, right, and then we add another 10, another 20, we get, we get another 100, become 110, so we need to stop the game, right? So change score, we just need to broadcast game win. That's why broadcast is an event. Broadcast game win. If you don't have it, create one. Okay, and then when it's done, that's done, let's just hide him away. Okay, it's simple, hide him away. Make sure there's a show somewhere so that, ouch. Click on him. Oh, no, it should be inside here if it's 100, right? Yep. So let's just retest. Yeah, you can just click on the codes and retest. Right, so I'm going to pass this code over to the farmer. Okay. The farmer instead is a 20. Change. Alright, now he's a bit tricky. Where does the game start? Let me just check my codes in case I forget anything. For the farmer, codes is quite short. Show, go to location, the center, show forever, hide, wait 5 seconds, and 1. Okay, that's how convenient it is to code. So we need to send him to the center. Where is he? He needs to show up first, yeah. So click show up. Location. This location will show up, right? And he's just gonna do a forever popping up and hiding. He's just gonna go to show up and hide, right? So he shows up and then he hides. He hides for about let's try 1 second. He shows up and then let's see, he shows up for how long again? Yep. So let's check the question paper. Farmer disappear for 3 seconds and he will reappear, right? So he just reappear back. So 3 seconds to go away. So he hide for 3 seconds. He shows up. Let's make it challenging, 0.2 seconds because it's not given. So let's just wait for him to come up. Let's see how it goes. Hello. Oh, that was just too fast. Just like a flash. What's this? Yep. Yeah, that is. Okay, so lastly, now because his game start, let's make sure the controller always hidden away. He can also check, yeah. Let's give him a 2 check conditions. Alright, let's see this one and this one over here. 100, 1 for the 100 and 1 for the greater than 100. Of course you can use an OR, but I just find that this is not too bad. This is just as good. Okay, and then we can broadcast game win. Broadcast game win. Broadcast game win events. Broadcast game win. Can I duplicate this? Yes, I can. Okay. So when this thing happens, he's already hidden away. It's okay. Right, so he's giving commands in the background. It's hidden. Okay, let's test our game now. Should be done. Oh yeah, we forgot one important thing. Set score to 0. So who's setting the initial score? Right, so let's get who is the master, the hero of the game. sets the score to 0 if you haven't done this already.